Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Jujube 10 health benefits obtained by consuming the fruit. Jujube, also known as Chinese red date, is an attractive drupe fruit of Chinese origin. Zao, as the fruit recognized in mainland China, it grows in natural wild and cultivated orchards in Korea, Japan, and many Middle Eastern regions. Dry jujube has a similar taste and nutrition profile as that of dates packed with energy, minerals, and essential vitamins. Let us look into benefits of jujube. Number 1. Aids in sleeping. For people suffering from insomnia or restlessness, consuming the extract of seeds of the jujube fruit can be a good remedy. The soothing nature of the organic compounds contained in this beneficial fruit can calm the body and mind. Number 2. Regulates circulation. The jujube fruit is a rich source of both iron and phosphorus, which are key ingredients in the red blood cells. If one suffers from the low iron content in blood or anemia, they may experience symptoms like muscle weakness, fatigue, indigestion, lightheadedness, and cognitive confusion. By increasing the iron and phosphorus intake with the jujube fruit, one can increase blood flow, thereby oxygenating your organ system more effectively. Number 3. Improves bone strength. By increasing minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and iron, all of which are prevalent in jujubes, one can ensure strong and resilient bones. As we age, we tend to suffer from osteoporosis and other bone degrading conditions. So, adding jujube fruit to your diet can slow or reverse this trend. Number 4. Controls weight. Eating fruits and vegetables is a common suggestion for people attempting to lose weight, and jujube is another food that can easily be to added to the list. Within a low calorie count and a high protein and fiber level, jujube can satisfy the nutritional needs and make one feel full, which will prevent from snacking and between meals. This will help you maintain the diet and prevent any additional weight gain. Number 5. Boosts immunity. Jujube is able to benefit the immune system in many different ways, namely due to its high antioxidant content, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and various organic compounds and acids. These antioxidants are able to neutralize free radicals responsible for many chronic diseases and illnesses within the body. Vitamin C also stimulates the production of white blood cells, the first line of defense of our immune system. Number 6. Reduce stress and anxiety. Jujube has been proven to have certain anxiolytic and soothing effects on the body. Using the jujube oil extract or consuming the fruit itself can have an impact on your hormonal levels and induce a calm, relaxed sensation through your mind and body. For people who regularly suffer from chronic stress or anxiety, snacking on some dried jujube or seeking a jujube supplement can help ease the mind and protect the body from the side effects of extended exposure to stress hormones. Number 7. May help prevent cancer. A preliminary study conducted in 2008 to evaluate the anti cancer ability of jujube found that this fruit can help in killing the harmful tumor cells, although the exact mechanism and specific relationship between jujube and cancer are still being researched. Early results point to a positive correlation between the bioactive compounds in the jujube and a reduction in the spread of cancerous cell. The same 2013 study suggests that sour jujube fruit may also be a potential breast cancer chemotherapy agent. A review study published by the National Institute of Health confirms that the presence of bioactive compounds like triterpenic acids and polysaccharides present in jujube fruits demonstrate anti-cancer and anti-proliferative effects on various cancer cell lines. This is very important finding as apoptosis is one of the key tools to prevent the spread of cancer. Number 8. Skincare. Jujube juice and extract have been used topically to treat various skin irritations and inflammations, including psoriasis, eczema, and acne. You can consume the jujube fruit to get the same effects. It can also help prevent the appearance of wrinkles and scars, as well as keep the skin energized with oxygenated blood. Number 9. Aids in digestion. Jujube fruits are also linked to improve digestive processes within the body. This is mainly attributed to its fiber content. The saponins and triterpenoids also play a part in this by optimizing the uptake of nutrients and promoting the healthy movement of food through the bowels. This can help prevent constipation, cramping, bloating, and excess flatulence, as well as severe gastrointestinal conditions. Number 10. Detoxifies the blood. The saponins and alkaloids found in jujube fruit have been directly linked purifying the blood and eliminating harmful toxins from the body system. This antioxidant effect can help prevent a large number of diseases and also ease the stress on the immune and lymphatic system. Adding jujube to your diet. Jujube can be consumed raw or in its dry form or made into tea, syrup, candy, juice, etc. Word of caution: jujubes can be dangerous for those suffering from diabetes as it contains a number of complex carbohydrates and it can negatively affect blood sugar levels. Jujubes generally show very few side effects, except in those with a natural allergy to the fruit. Before making a major change to your fruit or supplement intake, consult a medical professional to make sure it's a good choice for you.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.